Mimiandsasastoryhouse presents What the Little Red Star Saw. Hello down there. It's me, the little red star. He can't hear me. Little ducklings never can. But oh, I hear him. I see everything, you know. Stars do. Every evening, I'm the first star to blink awake. Can you find me? Point up. There I am, twinkling hello just for you. And every evening, I watch over Sunny Meadow. Shall I tell you what I saw today? This morning, I watched the sun tap on Pip's round window. Tap, tap, wake up, little duckling. And up he popped with the biggest stretch. I saw 5 little splashes in the pool and heard 5 little giggles. Splish, splash! Even from way up here, giggles sparkle. I saw a big brother playing peekaboo with baby Penny. Where's Penny? Where's Penny? There she is! She wins every time. I saw Grandpa Pops telling his best story and Granny Pearl sharing something golden. I could almost smell the cookies. Almost. Stars can't eat cookies, you know. It's the one sad thing about us. And today, oh today, I saw the littlest bunny make her biggest brave hop. I twinkled so hard I nearly wiggled right out of the sky. Then the sky put on her evening dress. Pink first, then gold, then deep, sleepy indigo. That's my favorite part. That's when my work begins. Some days, it rains. I watch through the raindrops, see their little den glowing like a lantern. I keep watch till the very last drop. Pit, pat, pit. But shall I tell you a secret? Do you know why I love this little meadow best of all? Once, a long, long time ago, I fell right out of the sky, plop, into the cold, dark grass. And do you know who found me? The littlest duckling in the meadow. He lifted me up in the softest wings in the world, and I wasn't scared anymore. He showed me to his friends, one by kind one. Don't worry, little star, they said. We'll get you home. They warmed me and cheered me and loved me until I glowed brighter than I had ever glowed before. And up, and up, and up I sailed all the way home to the sky. That little lost star was me. Now you know, and I never, ever forgot. So now, every night I say thank you the only way a star knows how. I shine brighter than all my brothers and sisters put together. Don't tell them I said that. Now, a star has bedtime jobs, you know. First, the moon and I tuck in the littlest stars. Come along, little ones, bedtime. One cloud blanket pulled up to the chin. Shh, good night, little star. Twinkle you in the morning. Then I check on my 5 little friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All there, snug as buttons on a winter coat. And if one of them can't sleep, I twinkle, slow and soft, like this. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Do it with me. Twinkle, twinkle. Then I sprinkle a little stardust on their dreams. Dreams of flying, soft and slow over the sleepy meadow. Dreams cycles of counting sheep clouds. 1, 2, 3. I always fall asleep before 10. Don't tell the moon. And when every eye in the meadow is closed, every duckling, every bunny, every bear, the whole sky hums our little song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, watching meadows near and far, up above the world so high, like a lantern in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I love you just as you are. And at the very end of the night, when the sky turns soft and pale, even stars get sleepy. Dawn is my bedtime, you know. So I pull up a little cloud, and I close my one bright eye. Good night, Sunny Meadow. Good night, little you. I'll be watching, always. Your friend, the little red star.